we are the Da Vinci Academy and we are part of L.E.A.D Academy Trust. The Da Vinci Academy is very unique because it considers the holistic development of students. We work towards working with young people and developing them into well-rounded individuals that are ready to play a part in society, but also achieve the best academic results to enable them to do whatever they want to do when they leave school at 16. Our mission is to inspire excellence, shape futures, and empower our community.
The lessons are fun and I've got loads of friends.
Just the air, when you walk in, you just know that this is the place for me. I just think the people definitely make this place great.
I would say Da Vinci Academy is very much a community where students care for each other. We have a culture of kindness which permeates the school. I'd like to describe it as a sort of a calm and harmonious atmosphere within the school on a day-to-day basis.
The teachers are very kind people. They definitely understand you on a different level, on a personal level, on an academic level. They definitely know where you are, so they don't pressure you into boxes that they know you won't fit in. I really like the teachers here. They're very, very kind people.
As our holistic approach, that we have a wide range of extracurricular activities that take place as well, and we also offer a wide range of sort of additional study sessions, particularly for our GCSE students, that take place throughout the week as well. So without L.E.A.D Academy Trust, the school wouldn't have the access to the vast resources and support that it does have.
My favorite subject so far is history. I take interest in it because I want to be a lawyer in the future, and I think it's definitely important to do history. And also, as you progress forward, they will need you to have done history.
PE's always been my favourite subject, and my PE teacher always pushes me really hard because she says that she sees potential in me, which is quite nice.
I just think it's way more interesting, and I just love PE. I wait for it all week.
It's such a great privilege to be a head teacher. To actually see the difference that you can make to students' outcomes is the most rewarding part of the job. When they receive their exam results is quite possibly one of the most rewarding things ever. I think it's the best job in the world.